Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah. I am Dr. Kausar Ahmed, guys, working as a assistant professor in orthopedics department. I am glad to share you that I passed my MRCS Part A journey, and thanks to Almighty Allah, and also thanks to my younger brothers, Mr. Khan Muhammad Shihab is Backbencher International, who is talented, smart, and younger and energetic. I am little bit late in my journey. It's sticky excuse. Eventually, I got a success, and especially thanks to Dr. Khan, who not only provided this course, but also a good human being who keeps straight in while I am in my preparation. So. Dr. Khan is exactly pointing my weak point and which help my to make easy to my preparation. So I highly recommend it to this course in Backbencher and well wisher of Backbencher International. Thank you all of you.